Okay, what we have here is a Model 12 RES Kohler 120/240 single phase 10 kW generator, and it's got 3,207 hours, and I think it's virtually just about a year old. It's going to be removed from this trailer, and the tank doesn't come with it. But we're going to start it up right now and run through the menu just so you can see how it works. And that's what it looks like from the outside. Okay, go ahead and start it up for me, Jeff.